Hey guys, today we're cutting a key for a Ford F-150 2002. So first I started with the decoding process. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut a blank key just to make sure the cuts look the same. Key cuts are the same, and this is why we cut a blank first, because if you guys can see, not all the teeth are practically aligned. So I'm currently cutting a blank key with the manual cutter. We did try it with one of our laser cuts, and the cuts were a little bit different, so I want to try to see if the manual cutter brings it a little bit more accurate into the cuts. We're cutting a key for a Ford F-150 2002. And then we have to switch sides so we can cut both sides of the key. So I'm going to clean out the key real quick. Make sure all those extra shavings are coming off. Then I'm going to go ahead and lighten up the key with it. Make sure it matches. Let me take this 2 extra off. And then, as you can tell, the key ended the same. So now we're going to go ahead and cut the customer's original keys with the manual cutter, since we saw our blank is the same. Repeat the same process. Just want to make sure everything is lined up properly. And then you pray to God that everything works. And then we're going to flip it over. So everything lines up as well. So we got our first key done. Now we're going to cut the second key. Make sure it gets lined up. Perfect. We're going to remove the shaving out of both keys. Awesome. And just like that, we cut the customer's 2 keys. If you ever need any key cut for your Fords or any type of vehicle, make sure you come to Premier Locksmith.
When keys go missing and lock won't turn, Premier Locksmith is the name you learn.